Yadira. Thank you so much for watching. I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with you today. As you see, I do have the bag right next to me. If you are into luxury beauty and fashion and you are new, consider subscribing because I think you'll really like it here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and joining me today. So like I said, I do have a review here. So I'm gonna get going and show you what it is that I got. So this item was actually not available online. I had seen it for months out of stock, so I thought that it was just seasonal and they weren't going to be restocking it anymore. I kind of gave up on it, and one day I just got in contact with my CA and I just decided to casually ask, and then she's like, yeah, I can get it for you. And I'm like, whoa, what? Yeah. So she was able to locate this and get it for me, and they are a pair of shoes. As you know, it's a little slider box here. I'm gonna put this off to the side. So this does come in 2 different colors, and if you find that when you check it out online they don't have your sizing, do contact your local store to see if they can get it for you, or call their client services line to see if they're able to locate some and send them to you. So what I got is a pair of slides. I'll put all the product information here on the screen and also in the description bar. I do know the color. The color is cognac, and this has white stitching all around, and in the center there it has a circle with the LV embossed in there. In the bottom it's just wood and a little platform here with a little bit of a grip. These are made in Italy, so if you know your Italy size and you're trying to get these online, that's something to note. And I know it's almost the end of summer, but where I'm at it's actually warm and sandal approved pretty much the entire year, so I know I'll get a lot of use out of these. And I'm very happy that I was able to get them because I literally stalked the website for so long and just kind of lost hope. So I'm very happy. I do know that these come in the Escale collection as well, so I'll put those down below also. So I'm gonna try this on just so you guys can see what they look like, and for sizing reference, I am a US 7.5, and in Italian sizes for me that converts to a 38, so I did get these in a size 38. And let me get on and show you what they look like on. So that was my purchase from Louis Vuitton, and very quickly I did forget that the item name is available in the receipt. So that is, let me see, I paid $675 US, and the name is Locket Flat Mule. So I'll put that down in the description bar along with the color and my size for reference. Also, I do want to say that there is no grip at the bottom, so they're a little bit slippery whenever you first use them, but with use you'll be able to develop a grip for that. Or you can also get like a sole or a rubbery bottom to protect the bottom of your shoe as well. Although there isn't too much of a cushion or support here, I don't find them to be uncomfortable. There is a little bit of padding here, and then this is very smooth. Sometimes whenever I have shoes that come up to your toes like that, I find that they cut into my toe, but this is just perfect. It lets my toe come out just enough to where it doesn't do that. And also this is not too tight, so if you do have a little bit of a wider foot, I think this is very forgiving. So I'll put any product information down below. Like I've mentioned, I'm very happy about these, and I think I'll be getting a lot of use out of them. If you are into luxury beauty and fashion, like I mentioned earlier, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and spending a little bit of your day with me. See you next time. Bye.